What's up, guys? Mower Medic One here, and today's video is going to be on this. If you're tired of the front tires on your zero turn going flat, then you need to get you some of these. These are the Ron Powell flat free tires. They're made of solid rubber, and they come with bearings. They come with 3 different style of bearings, so this is a universal kit that fits almost all zero turn mowers. These are the 11 6x5s. They have ball bearings, and this is not hard plastic. This is actually hard rubber. And here comes the accessory kit with all the different styles or sizes of bearings, which is really good. It's got the 5/8 or 3/4 installed already, but it comes with 5/8 and 1/2 inch bearings in case your axles are a little different. There's some more of those bearings. And it comes with a plethora of spacers that you'll need to get the wheels mounted to your forks. All right, guys. Hey, we're back on this Toro one last time. We're going to put the flat free wheels on this machine. But in the comments, some of you guys were like, hey, you said that you fixed the engine running issues. And guys, I am completely sorry. I totally forgot what the issue was with this thing backfiring and popping and not running right. But let me show you. This engine was running like absolute dog poop. The customer had put these spark plugs in there, E3 10s, which to me looks like a J19 LM equivalent. The plugs don't look bad, but they're the wrong, well, that one ain't no good no more. They're absolutely the wrong length. And what was happening was the spark was probably arcing between the electrode and the cylinder head threads. What plug is supposed to be in here is a long reach plug, which is the equivalent to like a, I don't know, an NGK BPR 4 or maybe a 5. This one happens to be a 5. But yeah, absolutely the wrong plug. And these E3 junk plugs are garbage. I do not like these plugs at all, especially, now they may work for automotive, but they are garbage when it comes to small engines. I have every one of these I pull out and throw in the trash. But yeah, I mean, I put the correct plugs in it. Runs like a sewing machine. All right, back on task. We're gonna put these flat free tires on this machine. Come on to me. So it's a 3/4 or a 19 millimeter. And that looks like it's going to be a 1/2 inch bolt. So what we're going to have to do, as you can tell, that's not going to fit. You'll have to find your 1/2 inch bearings and spacers, and it comes with thrust washers You're not going to use all of the spacers, but I'll show you how to figure out how many you need. I like to make them equal on both sides. But we're going to have to knock out these bearings. Just use a brass drift punch and a hammer. Flip it around and do the same to the other side. We'll just tap in our 1/2-inch bearings that fit the axle bolt. Tap the outside race. You don't want to mess with the center. Depending on your model of mower, you may not even need any of these spacers that go here. But this one's gonna have to have a couple. I'm gonna put 2 on each side and let's see what it looks like. 2's gonna be too many, so just 1 on each side on this particular model. Yep, that'll be darn near perfect. Just 1 spacer on each side and we'll get this thing tightened up. Now, you don't want to cram these bolts tight. They don't have a sleeve through the center of the wheel to bolt against. So if you don't have locking screws or a locking style nut like these, you need to go buy you some. They're just nylocks and they won't come loose whenever you tighten them up. I like to spin it and just tighten it. See how it stopped? Now we're just going to back it off just a little. So you get just a little bit of preload and it still spins freely. Just like that. Go ahead and get this one off. And we'll see you guys in just a second. Now that looks pretty good. Let's let her down and see how she rides. Alrighty guys, hey, they are awesome. They are a little bit bumpy, but you'll never have a problem out of them again, that's for sure. Guys, I'm going to link these in the comment section and in the description of this video, along with everything that I used today in this video, so that you can get you some of these. I tell you what, you're gonna need these, I guarantee. Alrighty guys, hey, if this helped you out, and I know it did on this video, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And while you're over there doing that, ring the bell so that you get all of my new uploads. Y'all have a good rest of your week. More Medic 1.